YouTube, what's good, yo? My intro. YouTube, what's good, you guys? So, guys, is back again with another video, guys. I'm back in your face. I know. This vlog just started in the night, my nigga. Guess what? The boy's back in the truck, my nigga. We're going somewhere now. The boy's going far. Joburg. The boy's going to Joburg, man. The boy's going to Joburg. Right now, I just arrived in Hopabis. I don't know, I'm yapping, but I just arrived in Hopabis. Now I don't have much storage on my phone, so I just gonna keep this short. But I don't know how many parts this vlog is. But as I know, there's still the episode 3 of the travel vlog. The thing I still owe you guys a episode, 4 episodes I think. But yeah, this is another episode. Today is Friday. I don't know what the date is, but it's Friday. It's the 19th or the 18th. I don't know, somewhere there. But it's a Friday though. Guess what? The boy is going to Joburg. I know I'm yapping, but yeah. Right now I'm about this. I'm about to go to pay the boss, then the border, the Botswana, then yeah. I was already there, you guys already know what's popping, but yeah, let's go. So guys, I know it's a crazy story starting a vlog in the night, man. I owe you guys an apology. I'm sorry that I'm starting the vlog in the night, man. I was supposed to start this vlog in the morning, and I was like, no, in the morning I'm already this other side of the border, so it won't make sense, you know. It don't make sense, so I had to start it in Namibia, you know what I'm saying? Because tomorrow I'm already in Botswana already. Because what's the time? I don't even know what the time is, but it's probably 9 something. But yeah, you guys, give the boy the credit, bro. I'm going crazy. Copy season. I won't stop till we get that milestone, boy. I promise you guys. I promise you that I won't stop till we reach that milestone. The boy's still young, the boy's already doing this. Sheesh. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna vlog, so I'm just outside. I'm just gonna show you what's going on around the boy. But yeah, so far the boy is good. Everything is good. The boy's not even glowing, man. Sheesh, Venice. Sheesh. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now. Sheesh, what's going on around. Peep around, man. Peep around. Okay. Peep around, man.
Yeah. Banda mapira lombio kale indo kunguru kuindo na loli.
Peep around, man. YouTube, what's good, y'all? It is indeed the next day. It is indeed the next day, man. It is the next day. Anyways, guys, it's a Saturday. Yes, sir. And guess what? I'm still at the border. I just left at the border. But yeah, it's crazy now. Back to back. We're going back to back. I don't know. But in the night, I think we're already, by the night time, by 8 o'clock, we're already in Joburg. We're already in Johannesburg. Man, this vlog is crazy. But I know I don't want to yep because I'm kind of out of storage because I owe you guys a vlog, as I said. But I'm just going to show you around what's popping, man. What's popping, man. It's packed. It's always packed when Washra is around. It's always packed. But yeah, I don't know, guys. Comment down below what y'all think about the other videos. Guys, I don't do this for the numbers, man. I do this to entertain you guys. I'm an entertainer. I'm not a numbers guy. With time, you guys will be famous. You understand? But anyways, I don't wanna yip. So let me just show you what's popping, what's going around the boy. Why is the boy looking cute? Anyway, I just woke up, bro. Like, yo, come on. But yeah, let me just show you guys around what's popping. Yeah. Peep, man. Peep how packed it is. It is packed, man. Peep that V6 right there. I can see the V6, man. So guys, we have to go straight up. Straight up, my nigga. Straight up. But yeah, man. Yeah, we're doing this. I don't know how this guy came in the morning. I don't know how this one came. This nigga just came in the morning and started to disturb everything. But yeah. Sheesh, man. Damn, man. I'm over speaking the whole track. My mouth stinks right now. It stinks. But anyway, guys, as you follow me, idiot. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I was supposed to drop a video with Isaac, man. Isaac, that video is not gonna be posted, my nigga. I don't want smoke, cause in that video there's a lot of smoke, my nigga. I'm entertaining, not a smoke seeker. But yeah, I will post them. I don't know what episode I'm gonna add the thing on. But yeah, so I'm just going outside. I'm gonna show you guys what's popping outside, my nigga. Cause we in now. We 24/7 in the thingy now, man. Yeah. Now, as I said, if you are new to the channel, you guys don't even like anymore. But I see what you guys are doing with the vlogs, the traveling vlogs. You guys like them, so I have to bring them to you. Don't worry about the floppy. It's Captain Morgan, if you know, you know. But yeah, I'm not an alcoholic, man, nigga. I'm a smooth boy. But yeah, let me just go outside and show you guys what the boy is having today in his right hand. Yeah, let's go. Peep the snake, my nigga. Peep the snake. Big snakes, my nigga. Big snakes. I'm not even allowed. I don't even know if I'm allowed this. Suppose they are dick sucking. Peep the snake, but peep how big that shit is. Peep how big that shit is. Peep that side, my nigga. We having goons that side, man. But peep no. Peep the nigga. People watch the nigga. People watch the big dog. We're going crazy, bend for bend. Shit, I need to visit the toilet. So guys, it's not even toilet inside. I don't even pee. I just stand there at the wheel and pee. Yeah, we don't have that, man. There's no toilet. We just visit the bush and pee. Peep how packed it is, boy. I know he's packed in front of me. There's no one that's a, but yeah, he's a snake, man. I gotta show you guys the snake. Peep the border, man. Peep around. Border post, beat the post. Peep, man. The officers came there yesterday. So the boy got his passport stamped. So yeah, my nigga. Gravel, things changed. I thought we're still gonna go. That's the old office there. We're still going there. The snake, my nigga. Beep the snake, man. The snake. Kinda need it. I kinda need I need a thumbnail, man. I don't wanna show the number plate because you guys will be coming for the boy. But yeah, thumbnail checked. We're going that side where that nigga is going, man. That's the border of Botswana right there. But I already showed you guys in the other vlog that it's that side. It's that side, my nigga. So yeah, I'm just gonna trouble them and come back to you guys. Sheesh. Sheesh, man. Botswana border. Botswana border. YouTube. Big dog is reversing, man. I call him Big Dog. This nigga is going already. I don't know what's popping around the boy, man. We're at this Tswana thing, man. So yeah. As I say, man, we at this Tswana thing, man. We just chilling. We chilling. I don't know if I'm gonna take a shower here or in another place, but I stink. Smell like shit, my nigga. But the guy that was reversing now is taking a shower because the service we take showers, man. We don't stink like some of y'all. I don't want to mention it, but yeah. Anyway, guys, we're here in Botswana. We're chilling. I'm already in Botswana, by the way. But the road still continue, my nigga. I don't know how many parts I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna milk content out of Joburg. I'm gonna milk, nigga. I'm milking content here, my nigga. Milking. Whenever you see me with a phone, holding your phone, a camera, it's a camera, just know I'm milking content. I'm going crazy. The OV squad going crazy, my nigga. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the other vlogs. I've been dropping, man. I'll be dropping. Hobby season. I don't know what we're gonna end with this year, but I just know it's something big though. Something big is coming for the boy and I can feel it, my nigga. So yeah. Stay tuned. The journey still continues, my nigga. You said you want more truck vlogs. I brought them for you guys. Don't disappoint now. Milk the content. I milk the content. You flood the comments. Do your thing, man. You will squad beat again. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Sheesh. I lied, guys. I told you guys I'm gonna catch you guys later. I lied. I'm catching you now. You probably, but to you guys it's just a second. To me is yeah, it's a minute or something. But yeah, to you guys I'm gonna catch you guys. But what do I wanna yap about? I don't wanna yap. I don't know how many parts are this. I might even F around and give you guys an hour vlog, where our video, an hour full of entertainment. Just an hour, just like that. Or I might F around and give you guys 30-minute parts. 30 minutes, 5 parts. I have to milk them. I'm sorry, but I had to milk the content, man. I had to milk it. Because I'm going crazy now. I had to milk it, man. So yeah. You niggas, do the boy the good stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Shit, why am I looking clean, my nigga? Or is the camera lying to me? Is the camera lying to the boy? I know, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna take pictures. Take pictures in Joburg. Because I already have pictures in Cape Town. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put them somewhere here. I'm gonna put them here. How do those people do when they're in Volvo? I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I'll catch you guys later. It's kind of weird. What the fuck is this guy looking at me? But I said I'm just gonna bring you guys raw content, enjoyment content. You're going crazy, full of entertainment, boy. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Sheesh. I'm gonna try something new. Around, gang. Niggas went to take showers. I don't know when lemon guy just gotta take a shower, man. Probably sting. The balls sting. Stingy balls. You're gonna take a shower, my nigga. But yep. Peep around, man. Peep around, peep around, peep around, my nigga. Turn off well. Let me show you guys. Turn off well, my nigga. Nigga, complications. And we're just chilling outside. Turn off well, my nigga. Chilling. We're about to dip. So I just had to vlog a bit, talk to you guys a bit. Yeah. I don't know if I will be copyrighted or something. So I have to speak. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna get you guys on the road. The last time I came it was in the night. You didn't see this. So I had to vlog this in the night. So yeah. I'll get you guys on the road. Sheesh. You too. What's good, yo? Damn, boy. Boys in Botswana, my nigga. The boys still in Botswana. Nothing changed. I'm still in Botswana. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, my nigga. I had to take off the floppy. But yeah, still in Botswana. Chikobwane. The place name is Chikobwane. Something like that. I'm not from this place, I don't know. But the place name is Chikobwane. But yeah, you can see the snake behind, my nigga. The snake behind. But yeah, anyways, guys. I said I'm gonna catch you guys. I'm catching you guys. I'm catching up with you guys. So yeah, I'm going crazy. You be squad be again. Do other good stuff, guys. I'm just gonna show you around what's popping and what's around. So yeah, we still have a long way, boy. No way Joburg is. The boy's going to Johannesburg. Sheesh. I'll catch you guys later. Peep, guys. Peep, my nigga. Peep. Peep the snake, my nigga. Peep the snake, my nigga. Peep the snake. You know, this time is 8520, boy. Big truck. Big truck, my nigga. Big truck. Big truck. Peep around, my nigga. Peep. 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 Peep around, my nigga. We're going that way. We're going that way. That way. We came from this way. See how boring Botswana is, my nigga. It's boring. We came from this way. We're going this way, my nigga. So yeah, I'm gonna get you guys later. Sheesh. YouTube. So guys, I'm in the truck. Man. I'm about to make lunch and eat. Damn, bro. Damn, sorry. I've been sleeping all the whole way. Don't mind the nigga. I look kind of cute. Okay, but yeah. I hope. And what do you guys think? I think. What do you guys think? I hope you guys are enjoying the other vlogs. Hope you guys are enjoying the other vlogs, my nigga. Don't you are not enjoying the vlogs? I know you guys are enjoying the vlogs, so yeah. Don't mind my take a haircut in a minute. My nigga. But when I go back, so now maybe I will take a haircut. Maybe. Yeah, I have to because the school is opening soon. But yeah. I said today is the 20th we are doing this. Crazy. Other boy does the thing. I'm in a Volvo. So yeah, let me catch you guys. About to eat even. I'm fucking hungry, man. I'm fucking starving. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Sheesh. And also, as I say, guys, I'm milking content, man. I'm milking content. Guess what? When I go back, I'm milking content. I'm milking content, my nigga. So when I get back to Valves, I will be milking content. This one I will milk this one, and I will milk again in Valves and I will milk around the country. So yeah. In Valves, I don't know what I'm gonna milk, but I'm gonna milk content. I am gonna milk content. Somehow, somewhere, I have to milk. Maybe I'm gonna do. Now, let me not say it. If I say it, I'm gatekeeping it, boy. If I say it, I will see a lot of people doing it. But yeah. So that. So I wanna do it. Then I will say that I had. But I will just do it. I won't say what it is. But I will just do it because I know what it is. I know what I'm gonna drop. So yeah. I'll get you guys on the road. I'm just gonna show around. I'm show around in the road what's popping. So yeah, stay tuned. I know you're probably dick sucking in the comment right now. You probably think, bro, just get rid of the cover. You know where I got this cover from, my nigga? You know where I got this cover from, my nigga? You know where I got this cover from, my nigga? Talking about people around me. Peep around, my nigga. Peep around, man. Peep around, man. That's the road there. Oh, a car is approaching. Let me show you guys. Tight angle. Yeah. But I won't get rid of this car, man. I know I got this car from. Yeah. YouTube. I'm helmet up, my nigga. I'm helmet up, my nigga. Peep, the boys helmet up, my nigga. So yeah. Just wanna talk to you guys. Kind of miss you because I'm milking content these whole days. I'm going crazy. I'm milking content. That's why I don't have time for y'all. But now I'm making time for y'all. I'm dropping back to back. I don't know how many episodes or know how many parts are these. Let's do parts. Okay, let's do parts. I don't know what part is this, but this is the first EP. It's the first part. If you see this, it's the first part. There's a second part and a third part. I might fuck around and give you guys 5 parts. So yeah, sheesh. So it's a sunset, my nigga. Peep where the sun sets. Peep where the sun sets, my nigga. Peep around. The boy still in Botswana. The boy still in Botswana, my nigga. Peep how he look. Sheesh, man. Where your mom at, nigga? Peep where the sun set. That's a cute portrait right there. But yeah, I'm about to deep now. Just had to fix some things. But yeah, listen to that. Check to that. Scary, my nigga. That nigga is scary right there. But yeah, sheesh. YouTube. So guys, we outside chilling, man. Peep the snake, my nigga. Peep the snake's head, my nigga. So yeah, we're about to go to Sekoma in Botswana. So guys, I'm just gonna show you around what's popping, man. Show you the way, show the pave. I'm gonna pick the way for you all. But yeah, you just gotta be there again, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. I'm back, going crazy. It's Kobe season, my nigga. I don't stop. I swear to God, we don't stop. Sheesh. YouTube. So guys, man, damn, bro. Yo, oh my goodness, guys, I'm surprised. SA is another place, my nigga. I'm surprised, man. They might not do a bad part, but yeah, I'm surprised, man. You know what's popping, bro? Yo, bro, I must show you guys around. I must show you guys around. You niggas have to see this, man. Crazy. McPhee? Nah, I saw a McPhee, boy. My life, I'll put the pictures. I saw a McPhee? The fuck? Whoa, bro. We don't have that in Namibia. We don't have a McDonald's in Namibia. Some of y'all never seen a McDonald's, but I seen it first. You haven't seen it. You just seen it in pictures, my nigga. So we just see it in videos even. But a McPhee? Crazy. But anyways, the next day indeed, we are in Zeerust. Search it up if you don't believe that the boy is in SA. Search it up, Zeerust. So yeah, Zeerust on the road to Joburg, my nigga. Crazy business. Joburg trip, my nigga. I'm milking, boy. I don't give a damn. I am milking, boy. I have to milk. I'm gonna milk content, my nigga. I'm gonna come up with 5 parts just Joburg. 5 parts is over it. I'll just come up with 3 or 2. But yeah, it's crazy business, my nigga. It's crazy business, my nigga. But yeah, we're in Zeerust, Joburg. I'm surprised. I underestimated SA at first though, but I had to go crazy. I have to show you guys around now. When you come back, like I'm going and coming and coming. What the fuck is that? That's not English. I'm doing a going and coming back vlog. So I'm going, I'll be vlogging, coming back, I'll be vlogging. So double vlog, double entertainment, straight entertainment, nothing else, my nigga. So yeah, I'm chilling. Hope you guys are okay. Catch you guys on the road, my nigga. It's no more hand, it's now elbow.